Coordinates: 19 degrees 00 72 degrees 25, W, 19.000 degrees north 72.417 degrees west, 19.000, minus 72.417 Haiti. French. Haiti, officially the Republic of Haiti and formerly known as Haiti, is a country located on the island of Hispaniola in the Greater Antilles archipelago of the Caribbean Sea, to the east of Cuba and Jamaica and south of the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Islands. It occupies the western 3/8 of the island which it shares with the Dominican Republic. To its southwest lies the small island of Navassa Island, which is claimed by Haiti but is disputed as a United States territory under federal administration. Haiti is 27,750 square kilometers in size, the third largest country in the Caribbean by area, and has an estimated population of 11.4 million, making it the most populous country in the Caribbean. The island was originally inhabited by the indigenous Taino people, who migrated from South America. The first Europeans arrived on the 5th of December 1492 during the first voyage of Christopher Columbus, who initially believed he had found India or China. Columbus subsequently founded the first European settlement in the Americas, La Navidad, on what is now the northeastern coast of Haiti. The island was claimed by Spain and named La Española, forming part of the Spanish Empire until the early 17th century. However, competing claims and settlements by the French led to the western portion of the island being ceded to France in 1697, which was subsequently named Saint-Domingue. French colonists established lucrative sugarcane plantations, worked by vast numbers of slaves brought from Africa, which made the colony one of the richest in the world. In the midst of the French Revolution, who declared Haiti's sovereignty on the 1st of January 1804, the first independent nation of Latin America and the Caribbean, the Second Republic in the Americas, the first country to abolish slavery, and the only state in history established by a successful slave revolt. Apart from Alexander Pétion, the first president of the Republic, all of Haiti's first leaders were former slaves. After a brief period in which the country was split in two, President Jean-Pierre Boyer united the country and then attempted to bring the whole of Hispaniola under Haitian control, precipitating a long series of wars that ended in the 1870s when Haiti formally recognized the independence of the Dominican Republic. Haiti's first century of independence was characterized by political instability, ostracism by the international community and the payment of a crippling debt to France. Political volatility and foreign economic influence in the country prompted the U.S. to occupy the country from 1915 to 1934. Following a series of short-lived presidencies, François Papa Doc Duvalier took power in 1956, ushering in a long period of autocratic rule that was continued by his son Jean-Claude Baby Doc Duvalier that lasted until 1986. The period was characterized by state-sanctioned violence against the opposition and civilians, corruption, and economic stagnation. Since 1986, Haiti has been attempting to establish a more democratic political system. Haiti is a founding member of the United Nations, Organization of American States, Association of Caribbean States, and the International Francophonie Organization. In addition to CARICOM, it is a member of the International Monetary Fund, World Trade Organization, and the Community of Latin American and Caribbean States. Historically poor and politically unstable, Haiti has the lowest Human Development Index in the Americas. Since the turn of the 21st century, the country has endured a coup d'etat, which prompted a UN intervention, as well as a deadly earthquake that killed over 250,000. The name Haiti comes from the indigenous Taino language, which was the native name given to the entire island of Hispaniola to mean land of high mountains. The H is silent in French and the I in Haiti has a diacritical mark used to show that the second vowel is pronounced separately, as in the word naive. In English, this rule for the pronunciation is often disregarded. Thus the spelling Haiti is used. There are different anglicizations for its pronunciation such as Haiti, Haiti and Haiti, which are still in use. But Haiti is the most widespread and best established. The name was restored by Haitian revolutionary Jean-Jacques Dessalines as the official name of independent Saint-Domingue. as a tribute to the Amerindian predecessors. In French, Haiti's nickname is the Pearl of the Antilles, because of both its natural beauty and the amount of wealth it accumulated for the Kingdom of France. During the 18th century, the colony was the world's leading producer of sugar and coffee. The island of Hispaniola, of which Haiti occupies the western 3/8, has been inhabited since about 5000 BC by groups of Native Americans thought to have arrived from Central or South America. Genetic studies show that some of these groups were real.